Out in the countryside, up on a hill, there sat a little farm. On the farmland there grew a tiny sapling. It was so young it could not grow any apples. Sometimes birds would fly down and perch on the little branches. "Oh my, this tree is so small. Don't build a nest on it, Henrietta. We might break it." Oh, you're so right. I'm surprised it can even hold us. Yeah, well, we better go. Hey, don't be so sad. I remember when I was a little sapling. I was even smaller and wimpier than you. I only had one branch. At least you have two. Oh, I remember when kids used to tease me horribly because I was so small. It seems like just yesterday. There used to be a nice big fence in front of the barnyard, and that's where I was. Just me and my two little leaves. I was teased so badly you wouldn't believe it. I had two kids by the name of Tony and Tara, and they would come home after school and tease me bitterly. Oh, look, Tony. Look at this little tree. Oh, my goodness. If the wind blows, it will break in half. Yeah, it's not very big, is it? Yeah, let's go. They were so mean. But there was a young girl named Tilly that always looked after me. Don't you worry, little tree. You are perfect the way you are. The divine artist that made you, he made you perfect like he does with everything. So don't listen to them. I know you're perfect the way you are. Yeah, little Tilly would always check on me every day after school to see how I was doing. Near the end of fall, I lost all my leaves, my only two. I was so embarrassed. What were they going to say about me now? I didn't have any leaves, and I was already small. Well, they came after school, Tony and Tara, and they teased me badly. Look, Tony, this tree doesn't even have two leaves. Yeah, it kind of looks like a little stick, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. I know. Let's play tug-of-war. Oh, what a good idea. I'll take this side and you take that side. Okay, ready, set, go. And they pushed on me, and they pushed on me. My poor back hurt so bad. I didn't know what would become of me. And then finally, the wind blew. And it knocked Tara down. And I was glad because she was hurting me. Oh, Tara, are you okay? That mean tree. I think we should go. Come on, Tara, let's go. And so the two of them left, and I was glad because I was all bent over and out of shape, and I hurt so badly. Well, my back hurt so badly after that, but Tilly came home to the rescue. Oh, my poor little tree, what happened to you? And Tilly straightened me out. She took off her scarf, and she tied it around me with the help of the narrator, and I felt so much better. Oh, you just need a little tender love and a little care. My poor little tree. You can feel better. In just a few days, you'll be as good as new. Goodbye, little tree. Tilly always watched out for me. I felt so much better. Well, the weather went sour about a week later, and the wind began to blow and snow began to fall, and Tilly's scarf just blew away in the strong wind. And I was a sorry sight. Oh boy, what would Tara and Tony say about me now? Ha ha! Here's our funny little tree, Tony. Should I swing on it? Well, sure, go ahead. Oh, it's so much fun. Tony, just like a seesaw. Ha ha! You just kind of bounce back and forth, and back and forth. Hey, you guys stop picking on my tree. Go away. That's not your tree. Go on. It's my tree and you're hurting it. All right. We're leaving. Poor little tree. I need to tell my papa about you. I need you to be protected. I know what I'll do. I'll ask him to build a little fence around you. Tilly's father put a special wrap on me, and he made a nice sturdy fence. Thank you, Papa. I think you'll do just fine, little tree. I know my trees. You're going to grow up big and strong and be a great big wonderful apple tree. I felt so loved. Tilly and her papa cared for me. Well, 2 years later, the fence came down and I was big enough to grow some apples. Yep, and unfortunately Tara and Tony were after me with the apples. Oh, look, Tony! Tony, look, I'm going to pick some apples. But when Tara tried to pick, I kind of leaned the other way. She couldn't get any. Oh, come on, I can't reach. So she got tired and waited for Tony. Tony, see if you can pick some. So Tony came along. All right. But then I leaned the other way. Hey, it's kind of like the tree is purposely going the other way. Oh, you're not worth picking. Come on, Tara, let's go. But when little Tilly came, it was a different story. Oh, there's my cute little tree. I knew you would be growing up to be a wonderful apple tree. I wonder if I could pick an apple from you. And Tilly would try to pick, and guess what I would do? I would blow it with the wind in her direction, and I'd shake and shake and shake till all my apples would come down. And Tilly would be able to pick up all my apples, and she took a bite. You have delicious apples. I am so thankful for you. You are the best apple tree ever. Tilly would always make me feel so good. So things have changed now. The fence is gone, and the kids are all grown up, and things are a lot calmer now. So you don't need to worry about kids picking on you, and if you have a couple birds landing on you, just ignore them. Look, there's Tilly now and her family coming by. Oh, kids, come and look. There's a new baby tree, a little sapling. It's a new apple tree. Timmy, come and look. Oh, Mama, it's so cute. Yes, it is. Oh, Mama, it's a little baby tree. It's so cute. Oh, yes, it is. All it needs is a little love. We just need to take care of it and give it a little love, and it'll grow up big and strong like this tree. Yes, Mama, all it needs is a little love.
Hi, guys. So today, our letter is the letter T, as in, well, when you go camping, you sleep in a tent. It says for tent, or tea. I'm drinking a cup of tea. This is a little. This is a big.
Okay, Ellie here. And so we are going to go over our letter for the day. Okay, so this is a little T which says t for little tree, T for tree. And then we have a big T for a big tree, as in our story. Okay, so gotta get a marker. And we're gonna practice our little T and big T. These are line letters. So you're gonna start at the cherry and go all the way down, and then start the little cherry and go toward the honey line. Okay, zoom in, and let's do the top row. Okay, here we go. Start at the cherry and go down. Start at the little cherry, cross over, and go toward the honey line. Okay, all right, here we go. Very, very good. Those are our little T for tree. Okay, now for our big T. We start at the top like the little T, go all the way down, but instead of crossing over on the middle line, we give it a hat at the very top. Okay, so let's give it a try. Start at the cherry, go all the way down, start the little cherry, and give it a hat. Very good. And there we have it. Big T for big trees. Voila! T for ties. Hi guys, guess what? We've got the letter T for toe family. There's Papa Toe, Mama Toe, and the kids. Yeah, T for toe family. Hi guys, Jerome here. How's it going? Okay, so today we're going over the letter T, which says T. Okay, there's a big T for a big tree, which I need to color the apples in. And then there's a little T for a little tree. Yeah, like our story. Okay, here's a tree from our story. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I need some puppets to apologize to Tilly for hurting her tree. Okay, so Tilly, come on the stage here. Hello. Oh, hi, Tilly. How's it going? Oh, hi, Jerome. Hi there. I want Tara and Tony to apologize to you because I don't think they did, so I'm going to call them out. Okay, put you down. There's Tony. Hi, guys. All right, you're going to stay there. And there's Tara. Hi, guys. Okay. All right, I need you guys to apologize to Tilly. Oh, we're sorry. Sorry about picking on your tree. Yeah, we're sorry. We just weren't thinking. Okay. Thank you for apologizing. Goodbye. Oh, thank you for apologizing. All right. Now, that's good. You always need to say you're sorry when you do something wrong or mean, okay? All right. So let's move our tree out of the way. Okay. And then we're going to make our letter art. Okay, so I would prefer brown marker, but I can't find mine, so I'm going to make a blue tree, okay? All right, so we're going to start with the big one. We just start at the tippy top and go down, like Ellie showed you. Okay, then we start away from the honey line and go toward the honey line. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you can get a green marker, and you can do all this fluffy stuff to make like a treetop. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, good. I would suggest putting the apples in first. Drawing in the apples and coloring them in because it's easier to color around them. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, good job. And then take the green marker and color around them. So you can just kind of color around them. And you can take your time. It's fine. I'm just having my assistant go kind of fast so it doesn't take so long. But I always want you guys to take your time. Okay? So there we go, coloring the tree in. Okay, good job. Okay, there's our apple tree. Big T for big tree. Okay, like our story. Okay, now we'll make a little one. Okay, so we're going to start tippy, go down, start away from the honey line, go toward the honey line. Okay, ready? Here we go. And in the middle, whoop, there you go. Okay, now you can add some leaves. Color it in, add some leaves. Kind of a cute little tree, huh? And there you go. And maybe like on the top. Okay, and then you can add a little apple or two if you want. There's one. There you go. It's kind of cute. Okay, so there's our letter art. There's our for a big tree, like apple tree. And there's our little for a little apple tree. Good job, guys. Good job.